To connect PlayStation controller to the Z Fold 6, let's start by opening settings. Then we will select the connections option. Then choose Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is on, and now let's look at the controllers. We need to turn on our controller, and so on PS4, PlayStation and Share, on PS5, PlayStation and Share, same with all controllers. And when we long press these two, the pairing mode that you will see on a controller will be slightly different, but the general idea is after a while, we should see this rapid blinking here, and then we can release from the buttons. And if we go back to the Z Fold 6, we need to tap scan again. It will find the controller, and we can tap to pair. And so we'll pair one more time, and we're done.